Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Instagram meta verified option not showing. For example, if you click on here and click on the three lines, then there was option available as meta verified, and due to latest update it is not showing here. Then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram and all the apps, and after that you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update on your Play Store, which means you have to simply search for Instagram and you have to check it is showing any kind of update, because in latest update Instagram makes some changes. So if you do not get the meta verified option still, then you have to simply open a new browser here, and in browser you have to simply open a new tab, and in new tab you have to simply search for Instagram older version, and you have to install that older version and you will get that meta verified option. But if you do not want to install an older version, then you have to simply search for Instagram meta version, meta verification in that browser. So you have to simply search for meta verification, meta verified, and you can easily find the option of about meta verified on Instagram, and you can simply use that feature using that browser. So you have to simply click on meta verified, get a meta verified about meta, and if you scroll down then you can easily find that option in web browser if you are not getting that feature in the apps. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.